Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be attempting to make a lemon fuel cell with my lab assistant Freddo. So what will we need? Well, we'll need some galvanized nails. Galvanized means zinc coated. Some crocodile clips and wires. Some copper wire or other copper item, and I've just folded them up a bit. Lemons, of course, and some light. So, when I've done this experiment before, each lemon has a voltage of 0.9-ish volts. So let's start linking them up. So to make a battery, you'll need a lemon. And on one side you have a copper wire. You fold it up a bit so it's not too long, and then you poke it into your lemon, making sure it doesn't come out at the other end. I've cut the bottom off so these stay still and don't roll about. Then you get your nails and then you poke it in on the other side. Now that is about, so if I linked these up with crocodile wires and a voltmeter, it would be 0.9 volts. Now we will do the same for all the others. So we poke it on one end and put the nail on the other. You can't reuse the nails because they'll oxidize, but lemon juicy. But you can reuse the copper wire. So those are the fuel cells done. Now to link them up, you could take a wire. So this one, the nail is the anode or cathode. And it's negatively charged. Now you take another wire and put it on the copper, which is positively charged. Now you take another fuel cell, lemon, and you link the copper to the nail, and you carry on. These lemons are in series, which and not in parallel, which means they're all on the same wire, on the same line, and there aren't multiple wires on each each nail and copper wire. Now we've done our final, we've linked up our final 3 and 4 are in the wrong order. So we're linking up the final battery, and you don't connect this one to that. You get another wire and clip it to that. Now that will be around 3.6 volts. So we get a light. Let's use a green light. And we link. So this is the positive side, which links up to that. And negative, I hope, yes. So you link up the nail with the black, the wire that connects to the nail, to the shorter end of the shorter wire on the LED, and the copper to the long wire. And hey presto, you've got a light that's lighted. Now you could use other lights, but I'm using LEDs because they're easier to connect. But the copper should always link up to the longer end and the nail to the short end. Thank you all for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.